फ्रेंड्स वेलकम बैक। तो चलो आज देखते हैं एक मज़ेदार वीडियो है इंडियन क्रिकेटर्स इंग्लिश वर्सेस पाकिस्तानी क्रिकेटर्स इंग्लिश। इंग्लिश का कौन बनाएगा बढ़ता हमें अभी से पता है। तो चलो वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो और आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से पहले सब्सक्राइब के बटन और बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर लो ताकि आपको हमारे सारे न्यू वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए जैसे हम अपलोड करें।
अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आता है प्लीज लाइक एंड शेयर। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
You played a left arm spinner today. How much was that based around Australia's top 7? Only one left-hander there. The rest of them are right-handers. How much was that based around that?
Sorry, say again.
Australia has 6 right-handers in their top 7, and you played a left-arm spinner. Was that the main reason you played a left-arm spinner?
I think so. It's just team plan. So I'm just not for talk for this because the captain and management decided. So I'm just playing as a player, not for team management.
अबे साले
बता रहा है अब उसको।
वही बता रहा हूँ कि actually I'm just already told you कि he just decided for management and captain, not for me. So I think so it's a positive sign. So it's just a lot of right hand in Australian batsmen. So one is a left arm spinner. Is just go to show the ability. So I think so. Zulfikar Babar is excellent bowling in a circle.
Well, Umar, at once Australia was cruising towards victory when Finch and Maxwell were batting. Do you think in which moment or in which particular over the momentum shifted towards Pakistan?
समझ नहीं आया। नहीं क्या बोला क्या बोल गया।
I think so. Is a movement for Guli Bhai because is a good Yorker. So a good Yorker. So
Hinzi, there's no money. There's nothing. Hinzi, well done again. It was a nice toss to win. It was a comfortable game in the end for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I think is 10 or 15% is we win the toss because later on maybe in second half is not easy for the spinners and fast bowlers. His ball is in the right length.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
But I think it's good game and credit goes to the boys. Is really played well, especially bowlers. When one time in looking is 180, 190, but in the end one time in looking is 180, 190, but in the end bowlers bowled really well, especially Rana is bowled well, and later on Imran Farhat and Imran Nazir both are played very well.
Now you're sitting in that dugout and you're watching Imran Nazir, Imran Farhad kick off. You must be loving that.
Yeah, it's definitely. I think everybody is loving it because he's playing big hits and he's clean hitting, and I think everybody is love it. I am also.
Okay, got a little bit closer than you thought at the end, didn't it? Were you a little bit stressed towards the end there?
Yeah, definitely. It's a big game. When Hyderabad bowlers bowl really well and fielding well, especially fielding very well, and then one time is closer to the game and everybody is in some tension.
Okay, now you won up. You go away tomorrow, you go rest, come back, you won up. What a position to be in.
Yeah, it's definitely we are confident that we win second game, but as Hyderabad, this team is very good. He's playing good games and it's not easy to win second game, and we work hard inshallah and try to win this.
सारे इंग्लिश के हैं।
ये मजेदार वाला है।
सारे इंग्लिश के हैं।
ये मजेदार वाला है। ये कुछ नहीं आती भाई।
घबरा रहा है। जान सूख गई उसकी। रोने वाला है।
Can you explain the difference?
Sorry?
Can you explain the difference? I mean, on Sunday you weren't very good. Today you're excellent.
I think today what the difference was our bowling and fielding.
What did you do to make them better? The fielding in particular. What did you concentrate on to make it better?
I think actually we do not fielding. We had a rain other day, so actually we do nothing.
मेरे भाई अभी तक इंग्लिश नहीं आई.
So that's why players are very boosted up for the yesterday meeting. So everything.
तो ब्रेन से ना
सरफराज, सबसे पहले तो आपको मुबारकबाद कि पाकिस्तान की टीम ने ये मैच
अभी
जीता।
बोलेगा तुमसे कुछ।
आप क्या समझते हैं कि इसमें आपकी परफॉर्मेंस भी थी और अल्लाह का करम भी था? ये परसेंटेज कितनी थी? 50-50,
अल्लाह तो
40-60?
डालना ही है।
सर देखिए, मैं समझा नहीं सर आपका सवाल परसेंटेज के हवाले से।
उसे परसेंटेज नहीं पता थी ना, ये हमने देखा है मेरे कजन कुछ याद है।
Eventually got me out again as well. So that was disappointed. I'm so sad about that. You know, Usain Bolt got me out, and hopefully one day I'll get a chance to run past him, which will never happen.
I'm going to throw.
You should actually challenge him for a run of 3.
Yeah, we should. That's right.
Because that's the only place you can beat him. Even if you have 1% chance, that's where
नहीं
it is.
इंग्लिश डे करें यार। They are talking nicely and
I'm very quick
comfortably
between
हमारे
the wickets.
cricketers।
Very quick between the wickets.
Very, very quick. I think I'm the quickest. AB second.
You're the quickest, AB second.
Yeah.
Between the off stump and the leg stump. So he stands on leg stump and he's the quickest to off stump. He doesn't run.
Big warm welcome from Singapore. This is your first time here. I think he deserves a big round of applause for being here. Just after playing Asia Cup, it was a tough tournament and Rohit has made it here. So thank you so much, Rohit, and a big congratulations for winning the tournament. It was quite a tournament. A shaky start against Hong Kong, 2 convincing victories against Pakistan, a tie with Afghanistan, and then winning the final on the last ball. Every emotion for the team and every emotion and experience for us fans as well.
Yes, I think so. I think if you ask the people who came at the stadium, they only wanted us to beat Pakistan. The first game against Hong Kong, it was quite a close game. A lot of the guys traveled from England, came back to India. They had only a day or two, and they came back to Dubai. And I'm sure everyone here must be aware of the conditions there. It was quite hot, and none of us have played in such heat before. Although we come from India, where heat is not a factor,
it's not the same. Yeah.
but we don't play during that time of the year where it's 40 degree. I come from Mumbai. Mumbai is never 40 degrees. It gets you.
The last time I interviewed you was in November when you launched your clothing line, 1-8, clearly dedicated to your jersey number with Puma. Since then, you've commissioned a survey to figure out how fit India is, and I believe you're aghast with the findings.
Yeah, I mean, back in November when we started all this, I was keen on getting the numbers, and now that the numbers are out, it's really surprising as to what's happened over the last few years and what's happening, what's continuing to happen in that particular aspect. 75% of people have only played a sport or done a physical activity in school or college. So the survey has been done in 18 cities, around 4,000 people roughly, and 1/3 of them have not done a physical activity in 1
Which
year.
includes walking, I'm guessing?
Nothing at all. Nothing in 1 year, even on any day, which I think is alarming, And 75%, as I said, last did that in school or college.
आप लोगों ने एक डिफरेंस देखना होता है आप लोगों ने ये किया कि नहीं किया। जब पाकिस्तान के वो दिखा रहे थे क्रिकेटर्स, उनकी इंग्लिश जो है एक तो समझ नहीं आ रही थी और उस पर हम हंस रहे थे कि क्या इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं, हम उस पर फोकस कर रहे थे कि इनकी इंग्लिश में कुछ समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं, और उस पर हंस रहे थे कि इंग्लिश आती भी है ना कि नहीं। जब इंडियन क्रिकेटर्स ने बोलना शुरू किया, हम ये भूल गए कि उनकी इंग्लिश देखें, हम उनकी बातें सुन रहे हैं कि भैया वो जवाब इतने फैंटास्टिक और इतने मतलब सीरियस वे से दे रहे हैं कि हमें भूल ही गया कि ये वीडियो तो इंग्लिश के ऊपर है भैया, ये नहीं कि उनकी इंटरव्यू हो रही है और वो बोल क्या रहे हैं।
इससे देखिए
ये डिफरेंस दिख रहा है
कि इंडिया की एजुकेशन इज
डेफिनेटली वेरी गुड,
और उसका रिजल्ट ये है कि इंडिया से जो लोग बाहर जाते हैं उन्होंने कितना अचीव किया, उससे पता चलता है इंडिया की एजुकेशन इज अमेजिंग।
तभी तो इतने इंडियंस जो हैं आपको दिख रहे हैं यूएसए के अंदर अच्छी पोजीशंस में जो नौकरी कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि इंडिया के लोग जो है पढ़े लिखे हैं।
मगर आप
पाकिस्तान
या इंडिया की एजुकेशन अच्छी है उन लोगों के लिए जो पढ़ना चाहते हैं। बहुत इसमें अंतर आता है कि इंडिया आपको अच्छी एजुकेशन देता है, अगर आप लेना चाहते हैं तो आप अच्छे बन जाएंगे, नहीं लेना चाहते तो आपकी मर्जी है, बट इट इज़ अवेलेबल, दैट इज़ अ ग्रेट पार्ट।
या और यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान का तो देख के इतना मजा आया, इतना, वो तो लास्ट वाला तो बेचारा पहले ही घबरा के बैठा हुआ था, ऐसे लग रहा था उसका तो रोना ही निकल जाएगा, सारी अंग्रेजी हैं तो बड़ा मजेदार था।
इसका मतलब ये है कि आप ये कह सकते हैं कि इंडिया में जो क्रिकेटर्स आ रहे हैं दे कमिंग फ्रॉम गुड बैकग्राउंड्स, जहाँ पे
एजुकेशन मिली है
उनके जो हाउस होल्ड्स हैं वेल एजुकेटेड हैं, वहाँ से आ रहे हैं। और सभी लोग ये कहते हैं कि बहुत अपोजिशन था, उनके पेरेंट्स कहते हैं कि नहीं खेलनी, परंतु वो इतना अच्छा खेलते थे कि उनके पेरेंट्स तंग आके बोले जा यार जा खेल।
नहीं, और मैं तो उस वाले में देख रही हूँ कि उसने प्रॉपर बोला, मतलब एक बंदा जो लास्ट में आया था उसने हिंदी या उर्दू जो भी बोली थी उसने बोली, उसमें एक इंग्लिश का क्या वर्ड आ गया परसेंटेज, वो वहीं पे उसको समझ ही नहीं, मतलब उसको ये भी नहीं पता परसेंटेज का मतलब इतना, मतलब उस टाइप से भी मतलब लोग उनके वहाँ पर हैं। तो चलो यार, आप भी शेयर करना अपने थॉट्स। चलते हैं, मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बहुत ही जल्द। टिल देन टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय।
तो अगर आप मेरे इस चैनल पे नए हो तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब के बटन को हिट करो और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करो, ताकि आपको मेरा जब नया वीडियो मैं लगाऊं आपको उसके बारे में जल्दी से पता चल जाए।